shuttle to San Francisco. Stay overnight in San Francisco. And then we go San Francisco to Maui. And then stay whole day in Maui. And then we went to Honolulu. And stay overnight to Honolulu. And then we go to Honolulu to Las Vegas. Las Vegas to Frankfurt.
Los Angeles.
Oh, Los Angeles to Frankfurt. And then that was 11 hours, guys. And then another 5 hours Frankfurt to Athens.
2 hours on 2 hours on the
And then delayed. Don't ask me how many times we shower on those flights. Don't ask how many airlines. This is what we look like now. This is Kalani. With the lipstick on. Okay, guys. There's more to go. See you in another 10 hours at the airport. Next flight, we're going to Venice again. Stay overnight to Athens. More fun to go.